Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll guide you through how to download and install apps on your laptop or PC running Windows. If you find this guide useful, please subscribe and like the video. First of all, it's super useful to be able to go and get apps. Whether you're looking for games for some fun or more practical applications, there's a whole world out there waiting for you, so let's get started. Come down to the bottom of your computer and click on the search bar. Type in Microsoft Store like this. It should show up as a suggestion. Go ahead and click on it to open it up. On the left side, you'll see different options like apps, gaming, and entertainment. Let's check out apps for now. You can scroll through and see all the different applications available. Some are free while others require payment. There are also plenty of entertainment apps. For example, you can find Thread here. Just click on it. To download, click on the Get button in the top right corner. Now, when downloading some apps, it might ask you to sign in. You can either use an existing account or click on Use a different account if needed. I've just signed in, and now the download will start. Once the download is finished, it will say Open. You can click that to start using the app you just downloaded. If you found this guide helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.